Hi there, my name is Annie. I'm 29 years old and I'm here to share my story about my experience of Smart TMS and how it has seriously improved my quality of life. Depression and anxiety really do dominate your life. It's very difficult having low motivation, no motivation to do many things. Also having social anxiety as well, which really affected me being able to socialise with people. So I suffered with depression and anxiety for a majority of my life, and it took me a while to actually be diagnosed with this. Medications did not help me at all. In fact, they made me a lot worse, and not to mention the list of side effects from them, which I'm still suffering with today. I therefore decided to look into Smart TMS. If only I'd looked at this earlier on, and then I would not have had to go down the medication route. So I actually found out about TMS through an ad on Facebook. I then actually looked into it more. I was seeing a psychiatrist at the time, so I actually spoke to him about it. I saw that Smart TMS was actually NICE approved, which gave me confidence to think it was real. So yeah, I spoke to my psychiatrist more about it, and he knew lots of information. He'd had some great stories from his own patients who had succeeded with TMS. I had my acute phase of the 30 sessions. However, basically what happened was I was still on my medication during my 30 sessions. So unfortunately, my results didn't show straight away. So a few weeks after I came off the drug, I did notice the TMS results really starting to show. I was always optimistic that this was going to be the case. So TMS did actually help with the withdrawals. It just took a few weeks to actually see the results. Before the TMS treatments, obviously I wasn't 100%. However, I was never anxious about starting TMS. In fact, if anything, I was excited about it. When I had my first session, I was actually fascinated about how the whole technology worked and how it worked for fixing mental health. It was very interesting and exciting seeing how the technology was being used. So it's quite hard to explain exactly how it felt. It pretty much just felt like a tapping, vibrating sensation up here. Not painful at all. So I knew exactly what to expect, so I never had any worries about coming in for a session. With the continuous care, I'm having 1 or 2 every month or so, and this is really helping. I do plan, however, to reduce down to maybe 1 every 3 months, and 1 every 6 months, then 1 every year, as much as I love having them. I know quite a few people living with some form of a mental health issue. I have recommended it to those who I believe would benefit from this treatment. I have also mentioned to them that there is so much help from all the practitioners who have given me so much support along the way. I would definitely recommend TMS to people in the same situation as me. So TMS has absolutely turned my life around. I mean, even right now, couple of years ago, I wouldn't have even had the confidence to be doing this right now.